This one is a cacao shell tea, okay? The cacao shell, 1 second, is made from the shell of the bean. You know, you mix it with water, honey, and cinnamon. This one is to relax your body. It's good for digestions, migraines, and insomnia.
This is good.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's why I made it, you know?
Did you put any sugar in it?
Honey.
Honey.
Look, you can put sugar if you don't have honey, but it's better honey because it's natural.
Perfect for honey.
Yeah.
I like this.
You like it? In case you want to take it, the recipe comes in the bag, alright guys? They are all the same. Now,
Just gonna ask.
now come with the cups, come with the cups. Jesse, pasando cualquiera. Come here. Where is your cup? Oh yeah, you have it there. You got it. Right now, let's try this. Chocolate with rum.
Okay.
Chocolate with rum, okay? Wait. We're gonna say cheers together now.
Oh.
Yeah. Repeat after me, okay? Just repeat after me. Say arriba,
Arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
abajo,
al centro,
al centro.
adentro. Happy hour.
Happy hour.
There we
Let's
go.
go.
Cheers.
That's good.
Kick.
Is that better, guys?
Yeah. Thank you.
This
This
guy.
is good. Is he better?
No, I'm telling him with the AC is like perfect.
Wow.
Oh,
yeah.
thank you.
This was good.
All right, now let's go with this. I don't know if you want to try this. This is ginger rum, honey, cinnamon.
Okay, I'll try it.
Not a
This
ginger
is-
I'm
guy.
not a ginger eater.
Look, this is a little bit spicy.
Yeah.
But look, it's good for digestions.
Okay.
It's good for the sore throat. And look, I know you don't need it, boy, but this is for more
Y
power.
papitón.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Arriba, abajo,
Al centro, adentro, power.
It wasn't that bad.
Actually good.
Say good?
Yeah.
That's
Has a little
actually
kick to it.
All right,
Not
now
bad.
give me 1 second. I'm gonna bring that Baileys, okay?
Okay.
1 second, wait for me, wait.
Did you record me?
All right, guys, let's go with this one. Nicaraguan chocolate Baileys, okay? Let's go. One more time, guys,
Okay.
one more time.
Here we
At the
go.
end, say diacachimba.
Diaca Jimba?
Diacachimba.
Yeah, diacachimba is a Nicaraguan word, and that means super awesome.
Super awesome.
Arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Al centro, adentro,
adentro.
diacachimba.
Diacachimba.
Yes, sure.
That's good too. Wow. I like the it's creamy.
That one? Oh yeah. Oh wow.
That's good. Baileys. I like that.
Right now, put the cups right here, guys.
Okay.
And let's try this.
More?
I'm gonna give it a try first. 70% cacao, okay? 70.
Thank you.
Try it now. So good. Now let's go with the milk one. There we go.
And this is milk.
Milk. So good. And now let's go with the 50. I'm sorry, the white chocolate.
White chocolate. I like 70%.
All right, now try this. This is caramelized cacao beans. Does it taste good?
I don't have diabetes now with this guy.
All right, and now let's try just one more thing, guys. This one. This is the body cream lotion. This is the one that I used to get ladies, you know? Yeah. All right. You sir, I'm gonna record for you guys. I'm gonna record for you. You sir, put your hand like this, all right? I'm gonna put some right here. Wait. You lady is trying your arm like this.
Okay.
Ladies. You're gonna wrap it in on here, okay? But wait. Guys, both of you gotta do the butter chocolate move, all right? And let's go. Bate chocolate, bate chocolate, bate chocolate. pate, chocolate. Patelo, 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 patelo. Move the body, boy. Hey, hey. There we go. There we go. That's good. You want some more for you?
No, that's perfect.
Some for you? There we go. Does it taste good? I mean, it feels good.
Yeah.
Tastes good. Still
All right.
tasting now.
All right, so look, guys, here we are done with the little presentation.
Thank you.
I really hope you had a great time with us.
Incredible.
You're welcome,
amazing.
guys. You're welcome. In case you want to have souvenirs, for yourself or families, many products on the store.
Okay.
Chocolate bars, chocolate brownies, chocolate liqueurs. Also, we have the body lotion. Okay.
Okay.
Also, guys, look at this. This is the white chocolate.
Okay.
We also offer organic. Smell this. Smell this.
Let's go. Keep it following me, please.
This is organic coffee from the north of Nicaragua with chocolate flavor too, okay? And guys, one more thing. If you like the cacao shell tea,
This is a chocolate rum.
this is the cacao shell tea, okay?
Okay.
The tea, guys, comes with a recipe on the back. Remember, 2 or more is 10% off as well, okay?
Okay.
All right, now guys, put one hand in the middle. Here we go. I'm gonna say now chocolate lovers, and you'll say forever, okay? And if I say bate, you say?
Chocolate.
There we go.
Yeah.
Any question after this, guys, let me know. I'm here to help you out. If you enjoyed this tour, you can follow us on Instagram, okay? You can leave a comment. Angel was good. But if you don't like it, forget it. Don't do it, all right?
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka. Just in case, guys, the presentation is free. If you like it, over there is a little tea basket, but that is voluntary, all right? Voluntary. Okay, let's go, guys. Break it like this and say, oh, chocolate lovers forever. Bate, chocolate. For you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.